Hey, Paul Kolomeyer here today, and today we are going to be making a Shopify store. So, I've never made a Shopify store before, but it's been super popular on YouTube for the last couple of years, with guys like Alex Becker claiming to make millions of dollars off of it. So, I was wondering to see if it really is as simple as they make it out to be, and to try to make a Shopify store. So, make sure to stick until the end of the video to see if I'll be successful or not. And other than that, let's jump right into it. So I'm currently on a website known as AliExpress, which is a website that allows you to get in contact directly with Chinese manufacturers. And this is the product that I found and I want to sell, which is ugly sweaters for dogs. The reason that I chose this product in particular is because dog owners are obsessed with their pets and they spend tons of money to keep their pets happy. And with the holidays just around the corner, this is an item that all dog owners are going to be interested in. So now that we have the product and we have confirmed that they ship with ePacket, which is the shipping service that you want to have for your dropshipping business, it's time to start working on our website.
One eternity later.
So I worked on this website for quite some time, optimizing it for mobile, and I think it looks pretty good, to be honest with you. And I think that this is the website that I'm going to get up and running. You might wonder what this is. This is a video that I'm going to get someone on Fiverr to do, which you'll see shortly. And I have a customer review here, and then buying. This is the home page, but what's even more important than the home page is the product page, because this is what you're going to be advertising on Facebook. So this is the product page. Looks pretty nice. Some pictures, the product itself. So I think the website's more or less ready to go. Just gotta add a couple of miniature features. And now that we have the website more or less ready to go, I think it's time to get a custom link for it. Because if someone sees your link and it's dog sweaters or doggosweaters.myshopify.com, they're not likely to buy from you, because that's a very suspicious URL. So I'm probably going to go and get the URL of doggosweaters.com for $14 a year. And that's the first investment I'm making into this website. So add domain and buy new domain. And doggo. Can I do doggo.com? Is that available? Or wait, is it looking for doggo.com? No, it's unavailable, so I could do doggosweaters.com, which I believe is available. See? And right now we're getting it. And I'll see you guys right after I get it.
A few moments later.
So now that I've gotten the URL of doggosweaters.com, it's time to choose a plan for this website. And I'm going to go with the basic Shopify plan for now, because I honestly don't need any of these bigger plans. The basic Shopify plan will do me justice, and I think that for most of you guys, if you want to start out a Shopify store as well, you only need to start with a basic $30 plan. So now that we are here, I'm going to get the plan, and it's only going to start December 12th, which today is November 28th, because I have a couple of days left on the trial. And let's start the plan. So now that we have the website itself set up fully, we need to find a person to make a video for us that we're going to put on Facebook. You could make this video on your own, but I'm not really good at it, so I'd rather hire a professional to do it rather than ruin the entire project by doing it on my own. So let's just go on Fiverr and look up drop shipping ads. So I'm just gonna look through these ads and see which ones look good, which ones are nice. So like this one's funny. You probably wouldn't want to get this one for the sheer fact that the color scheme just here, it's like so bad for your eyes. Imagine if you saw a Facebook ad like that. You'd never click on that in your life. So I'm gonna try and find a nice one, and I'll get back to you guys once I find it. So after looking through a couple of different options, I decided on this option because they have a couple of examples of work that they've previously done, and it's pretty well done videos, and they provide 1 to 2 day delivery, and they provide revisions for you. So if there's something I don't like about it, I can have a revision done, and it's only $15. So I'm gonna get the $15 pack, and I'm gonna give them all the information that they ask for, and then I'll get back to you guys once they send me the video, and we're gonna put it up on Facebook. So that's all for now, and I'll see you guys in a couple of days when they send me the video.
2,000 years later.
So 3 days have gone by, and I finally received the video from Fiverr, and here's the video. Let's play it. So it's a pretty good video in general. It shows off the puppies just being cute, and it describes the product below. So the creator did a pretty good job with it, and I think that this video could do very well if I market it correctly. And I'm just gonna let it finish playing, and then I'll describe my plan with the Facebook ads. So that's how the video is. And basically my plan with the Facebook ads is to create a campaign with a $30 daily budget. And once I create that campaign, I'll let it run for a day or so, and then I'll get back to you guys. Hey guys, so I just got home from school today, and let's just say it did not go as planned. So I launched a Facebook ad yesterday, and it got approved by this morning before I went to school. And while I was in school, I was noticing that it was spending like quite a sufficient amount of money, $9, and it was getting pretty good reach. But what was happening from that reach was minuscule, and from that it was even worse, the sales. So out of 494 people reached, 7 people clicked the link, and 0 people bought anything. So I just realized something that I feel like I should have really realized earlier. Just yesterday I was quite a bit confused with Facebook marketing and just how it works in general. But I realized I was redirecting the people not to the product page, but to the home page of the website. And what makes that situation even worse is I didn't finish it. Right here, I had a video slot with an empty video. There was nothing there. So those 7 people that clicked it, none of them added anything to cart, nothing like that. So what that goes to show me is that none of those people actually trusted the website enough to go through and make a purchase. If 2 of those 7 people had trusted the site and made a purchase, that would have made the ads a great success. But because I redirected it to this page rather than the product page, that's what cost me it right now. So right now I'm gonna fix it, and I have a couple of ideas. I want to make a couple of other ads using this video, and I also want to contact an Instagram influencer and see how they could help me with the video. But that, I think we can make a second part to this video, and in that second part we can further explore the marketing of Facebook ads and the Instagram influencer. So I'm afraid to say, but that's all I have for today. So far we are quite a bit in the negative with $14 spent on the link $17 spent on Fiverr and $9 spent on the Facebook ads with $0 profit. So I guess we'll have to see, and I'll see you guys in the next video.